Hey guys, welcome to Outlaw Edge. I got a cord, and this is another tech tip that I wanted to show you real quick. I had a buddy of mine, I'm not gonna say no names, he came and visited me the other day in the shop, and we picked up the cords. I was helping him out back, cut up a car. He's a real nice guy. And he kind of tripped out on some of the stuff I was showing him with cords. So when you do it every day, you figure, everybody knows this trick, but a lot of guys don't. Working on construction sites and stuff, over the years, you learn these tricks, and then it makes your job easier, and it keeps your cords from getting wrecked. And then every time you go to throw a cord out to use it, if it's all wrapped up how people wrap them up like this, and I've seen it done a million times, and then guys are like this, and then wrap them up, they're like, okay, well, I'm gonna undo my cord, and then they spend 20 minutes trying to undo the cord, and I watch them do this all the time, and then they plug it in. It takes forever. Well, if you take that same cord, and all you gotta do is just stretch your arms out like this, and give it a twist on the end, and wrap it up. Do the same thing. And it's quick and easy. And once you get used to doing that 100 times, then all you got to do is you make sure you grab the tip that you're going to plug in, the receptacle that goes into the wall, and throw the cord and pull it at the same time, and the cord's completely undone. You got it plugged in a matter of a second. So that's one way to wrap up your cord. And this is another way to wrap up your cord if you want to throw it like in a truck toolbox or in the bottom of a toolbox. And I'll show you a quick way to do this. Is you grab your cord, bring it up like this, and wrap it underneath your elbow, and leave your thumb out, and I'll do it again. And the whole time you're holding your hand up like this, so you have this end in here. So I'll do it again so you can watch what I'm doing. And you got the cord like this. Same thing. You want to unwrap the cord, you just grab this part, hold on to the end, and throw it. And pull it at the same time. And you got that cord unwrapped, ready to plug in.
And what's the loopity-loop one? The daisy chain or whatever that's called?
Well, I'll show you another way to do it too. You can do the same method right here. Here's a third way to do it. And this is the easy way to quickly wrap it up. And you can throw this in, like I was talking about, in your truck toolboxes or whatever. You have it set up where this is at the end right here. So you have like a half loop or a half hitch, whatever you want to call it. And just wrap it once, twice, and then go through itself like this. And then plug itself into itself, and then that way you know where the end is at all times. And when you get to a job site or something, you can pull it out of your truck and undo it real quick. That's the most common way that I see cords wrapped up, and it destroys the cords, because what happens is it ends up wrapping them up inside themselves, and it wraps the cords up, and it's a pain in the neck because most of the time you got to unwrap them almost the same way you wrap them up. And then the daisy chain method, a lot of people, for some reason, they don't know how to do this, and it's not that hard. You grab one side of the cord, you grab the other side of the cord and plug it in like this. And the parts that you plug in, you just take your hand, run down the cord about a foot, and just throw a loop into it like this. And then stick your hand through there and pull it through. And do it again, and do it again, and do it again until you're at the very end. And then you can hang it on the wall like this. And it makes it nice, but then when you get ready to pull the cord apart, all you do is you pull it, that one last loop out of itself, and you can undo the whole cord. And then, the part that you need to plug in is right there in your hand.
That's like magic.
Quick, fast, easy.
Do that one again.
All right, I'm gonna stretch it all out so you can see what I'm doing.
It's hard here because I got two cars in the way.
So pull the cord to yourself so you have both ends right here. Plug it in. Give it one loop right here on the end, like this. So you're just like you're tying a knot. Like if you tie it, it's gonna tie a knot.
Okay.
Right? And all you gotta do is pull it through itself like this. Right?
Okay.
And then when you get to the end, give it a tug, hang it on the wall, Nice, quick, fast, easy, like that. It hangs nice. You pull it down, you pull that last loop out, and the whole cord will just come out. See, you screwed me up.
I think you didn't go
Oh,
all the
man.
way out. See, I can never get these. I can't tie them up, and I can never untie them.
All right, I screwed that one up.
Welcome to my world right there.
Yep.
We'll go back in the video and find that part again where he undoes it. Do it fast and then it won't
Yeah, because when you
mess
do it
you up.
fast, it's kind of like quick and easy, you know? Wrap it up like that. And then instead of going through itself to hang it on the wall, that's where I messed up. You just grab this and you go like this and pull it out.
It's nuts.
Quick tech tip for the shop. Anyways, have a good night. Thanks for watching.